In this video, we are going to remove the props and replace the sacrificial anodes on an older Volvo Penta Duo Prop 290 series. To remove the props, you may need the tools shown here. However, common shop tools can be used as well. First, we begin by removing the prop cone bolt. Next, we unscrew the prop cone. In some cases, you may need a tool to remove this. Now we can remove the outer prop. Next, remove the rear thrust ring. Using a hammer and screwdriver, bend the tabs outwards on the locking washer. Once the tabs have been bent, the nut can be removed. In some cases, you may need the tool that was shown earlier. Remove the lock washer. Now we can remove the forward propeller. And finally remove the forward thrust ring. Now is a good time to clean off the old grease. Depending on where you live, your choice in metal for your anode may vary. Using an Allen key or an Allen socket, remove the old anode. Clean the surface using a wire wheel or wire brush. Install the new anode using new stainless hardware. Remove the two bolts securing the transom plate anode. We will be reusing the shield attached to the top. Once again, using a wire brush or wire wheel, clean the surface for the new anode. Now install the new anode with new hardware with the old bracket. Apply fresh grease to the propeller shaft before installing the propellers. Reinstall the spline thrust washer. Now install the larger forward prop. Next, install the lock washer and prop nut. You may opt to use a new lock washer here. Tighten the prop nut. Next, using a screwdriver and mallet, secure the lock washer. Make sure you bend all the tabs inward. Install the rear thrust ring in the rear prop. Install the nose cone and tighten. Finally, install the prop cone bolt.